kiss me. I said, I don't care. Your cousin walking around in his underwear.